Alright guys, so I just got done with the gym. I came here at around 6:30 a.m. Right now it's 9 a.m. So my plan is I'm gonna go home right now, eat some food, get that protein in. Markets open up by 9:30, so this is like perfect timing right now. After that, I'm going to, look at the charts, see what I can get. I also have an exam today at 1 p.m. So I'm gonna have to study a little bit in the meantime as well. But after my 2 classes today, I'm gonna be able to come home, relax. I'm gonna do some research on some stocks I want to invest into, and then after that, probably do some homework and hop back on those charts and back test and the day off. So yeah. All right guys, so I just finished my exam. Right now it is 2:17, and yeah, I think right now I'm gonna just go back home. I'm gonna relax for a little bit because I've had a pretty busy day so far, and probably cook some food. After that, hop back on the charts, back test a little bit. Like I said earlier, research about some stocks. And yeah, after that, it'll probably be the evening and I'll start getting ready for bed, do some homework, and same thing tomorrow. So yeah, let's get straight to it. All right guys, so I'm on the setup now. Let me just go over like the 2 trades I took today. For the first one, I lost, but the second one, I made profit. I ended the day today with only a small profit of $83. I'm going to keep this whole thing very real when I make these videos. As you can see, this loss right here costed me around $300 to $400, but this trade right here made me, I think, like 600, something like that. And these 2 trades were over an hour apart from each other. So for the first trade, I can explain what happened. It's one of those days where stuff happens. So right here, prices broke below our strong key level right here, known as our support. I hopped on these charts at around 9:30, so I set the new highs. New lows were still being made. We don't really know where it was, but we had this right here from the previous day. As they broke below it, I don't know if you guys could see, but it gave me this wick right here. What this basically means is I thought it was going to be like a good rejection back down to this level and back to the upside, which it was, but I got stopped out before it could continue going up. Now, this is like a part of the game of trading. It happens, so I'm not going to like stress too much about it. My bias was correct. I was just unfortunately stopped out, and that's just what happens. And to give like a better in-depth explanation of why I even put this trade in, it's not even because of the retest, but more so because of how the market was moving beforehand. This right here is also just as important. Now, as you can see, it broke below, but shot right back up, showing us like, okay, it wants to be up there. But now we got to find the right moment of when it wants to be up there. I then thought, as it was going back down and going back up, normally these are shown as like a heads up that it's going to go up soon, which did happen. But I got stopped out right here. It was a very, very strong rejection wick that just stopped me out immediately. Like literally as soon as I put the trade in, I got stopped out because of this wick right here. It literally just shot to the downside. My stop loss was set, and that's it. I mean, it happens. After that trade, I did see another trade opportunity, which did end up happening, and I was only going to be able to put this trade in if it broke these highs that were set earlier in the day when market first opened up. They were swept, like really, really good. Out of nowhere, huge candlestick gets made, and it was wicking very quickly. It already broke through the high that I was expecting it to break. It retested, and I put a trade in. Here we are. I took the trade out, I would say a little early, but I was happy with the profit I made, and I ended the day in profit, so I'm not really, too sad about it. Yeah, as you can see, prices just kept on shooting up after that. So if I held it in, I would have made a lot of money, but you got to realize, like, in the moment, it's like hard to depict what is really going to happen. Like, you have a bias, and I just stuck with my bias, which was this section right here, and that's all I'm going to stick with. I don't really want to, get my emotions into trading and start holding it in more, and that's just not what it's about. So, yeah, I took it out right around here. But yeah, like if we were watching this in the moment, this could have very easily just kept on going, kept on going on the downside, broke back below this, making this now a resistance once it's below, and just kept on going down. Like retest this, keep on going down, head and shoulder movement, whatever. But it decided to go up. The market is unpredictable at the end of the day, and just so happened to keep on going up after I took the trade out. That was my trading day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna do some homework for the rest of the night, back test on my own time, But yeah, this was like a little day in the life video. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know. I enjoyed making it. It was fun. I'm about to edit this video. It's gonna be a great, gonna take up some more time in my day. But more importantly, stay blessed, guys. Keep on working hard towards trading. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.